Alright guys, this is how to pour up a model appropriately without wasting stone and getting bubbles in the model. So, you want to go through and take a scoop, about yay so, about a scoop of stone, put it in there. And that's just for one model, maybe a little bit more, like that. Gently close the door, you don't want to slam it closed and break the hinges. Alright, and then what you're going to do is turn the water on. You want to use cold water, not hot water. If you're using, well, I should take that back. For this kind of stone that takes forever to set up, I would probably use a little bit of warm stone or warm water because it'll set faster. This stuff takes forever to set. While you're learning though, don't just use cold water. But if you're experienced, then you can do it accurately and quickly and correctly, then you can use warm water. But anyway, you're looking for like a brownie batter consistency. And before I start that though, you want to make sure your impression is kind of all washed out. Got some bubbles in there, that will get in the way, so just rinse it out real quick with some water and then kind of strike it like that, kind of shake it clean. So it should look nice and moist but not sopping wet and no bubbles anywhere. Alright, so I'm going to go through and use some warm water. That way it sets up faster for me. There's different types of stone. You got the snap stone, which is pink stone. You never want to use hot water for snap stone. It's already formulated to set up quickly. But for the yellow stone, it's a slow set. So you just you can use warm water safely without the stone setting up on you too quick. Alright, it's nice and warm. I'm going to go through and just kind of add some water in there. And just add a little bit and then mix it in like that. You kind of scoop towards the center of the bowl. Looks pretty good. You kind of mix it like that. Okay, mix it like that. That's pretty good consistency. Then you kind of take the bowl like that and scrape the sides of it. What that does is make sure all the little dry pieces of stone are mixed in. Okay, it looks pretty good. It's a little thick, but I think we'll be okay with that. Alright, so here's the vibrator that turns the stone on. I'm going to use it to kind of put all the stone in the bowl in the area. Also, you can kind of get some bubbles out of the stone with a vibrator. You don't want bubbles in the model because then it's not accurate and you got to redo it and all that kind of stuff. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to take a little bit of stone with the impression, push the impression towards, actually we need to put a little paper towel down there because it spills. But you want to take your impression like that and start from a corner of the model, pour the stone in there and let it kind of drip into the impression so it fills up each little tooth spot. If you just plop the whole thing of stone in there, you'll get air bubbles trapped on the incisal edges of the teeth, and that's not good. It'll ruin the model. So once you have the teeth spots filled up, go through and add more stone, like that. Set the model down, grab some more stone. I kind of do like a little snow cone or an ice cream cone doll up there. To make sure it gives you a bit of a handle to peel the model away from the impression. And you just kind of go like that, and then that looks pretty good. So you just gently set it down right there. If it's too runny, it'll run over and spill out everywhere. That looks pretty good. And then you want to quickly go through and clean your stone, otherwise it gets on the bowl and the spatula. So just clean it up real good, like that. Wash the bowl out. And that's it. That's how you do it.